Hi, good evening, students. Today is my topic about the farmers' law. Um, you all of know India is the second largest populated uh, country in the world, and in our country, 70% people are in a farmer. And nowadays, the uh, one bill is passed by farmers bill. And today is tell about the farmers bill. And first law, first law of farmers. Uh, the Farmer Trade and Commerce Bill. And in this bill, farmer trade the not only in estate but also the sand or crops uh, outside of area. And in this in this bill they also online marketing also they should provide in this bill. And one thing also in that is empowerment in this they give a law, uh, make something plan and take contact with they also not only they or send in APMC like mandis. They also send outside of uh, any mandis. And it's also facility provided in that will. And or difference of my second bill is Indian farmer empowerment and protection. It's based totally fixed on like what is what you mean say you say um, uh, like make a just one thing, contact based farming. In contact based farming in this law the before a farmer feed, they also take some contact about from contact between farmer and maybe farmer and consumer and a lot of factory. And so in this, and it's a very important thing in this contact, not include the uh, not include the or field. And they are not include land also. if any if any after the contact they get any problem, they also go for a SDM also. And this facility also provided. But the main and after that I will tell you the third law is the essential commodity. In that law, the uh, farmers and they also get a lot of will also send to area. And the consumer and maybe in APMC mandis and another they also store and store lot of things, lot of wheat, lot of vegetables, lot of field like wheat. And so it's give them the facility. And but in three cases they are also not storage. In first is the war condition. In the any type of war they are not store food items. And like not they are not do in black marketing in that time. And second is first war and second is famine like famine like any akal like any flood, yeah, that type of. They are also not doing black marketing. And third is any type of national calamity like COVID-19. That time a lot of rate of very high increase. So in that type of in emergency, they not storage any type of storage any type of food, yeah, any type of grocery item. And farmer protest because in if any case of when they can contact second lose like contact farming. Um, if they lose and do get any loss in contact, but maybe if the contact is from made by uh, consumer, yeah, maybe like uh, businessmen, they get mold and fold according to their person, because the farmer not have a lot of time and lot of money, so they um, get fight and go to judge judiciary court. So protest them protest and they and second one is also reason that they also decline MSP, and they also telling about the MSP, minimum support price. In the farmer want the minimum support price very increase about if they are three low and come in or farming, that MSP is very decline, and it's not just for name is like BSNL. So they protest their about their three bill, and and so an MSP is farmer want to MSP is also fixed and increases, so they get a good amount. And now in that lot of months farmers very poor condition because the health of soil, and second is the debt of like businessman, and third is one another reason. uh, First farmer in depth, second and third is also more thing, and so farmer get poor for day by day. So according to my gives some lot of thing amendment in that bill. I support my farmer. Jai Hind.